have a list of the 25 most viewed TikToks ever.
That's millions of views.
Billions, actually.
Wow.
And coming in at the 25th place with 213 million views is this.
He's getting a lion hug. Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Me and my dog do that, but I wouldn't be scared my dog would maul me.
That was the 25th most viewed TikTok in the world.
And we're already in the 200s.
Now, coming in at 24th is this. So far, I cannot tell why this is.
Wait, what?
Oh, our boy Cabby.
Okay, I was about to say, why is that the most viewed? And then now it makes sense.
Okay. It's funny. That took him probably like 10 seconds to film. 24th most viewed TikTok in the world.
That's insane.
That just shows the power of him and why he's gonna be the #1 most followed. Coming in at 23 with 230 million views. Oh wait, it's this drone guy? I've seen this.
He got 231 from this?
Wow. This makes me want to do this.
We should do it.
Yo, drone guy, fly down. Is that the guy that got beat by Jarvis in boxing?
I don't know.
You were there, we watched it.
Yeah, he gave them a heart attack.
This is the 21 most viewed TikTok in the world. We got a banana. I can see the Cabby Lane watermark. You already know they're getting hit with the...
They're getting...
Oh, yo, he's got the Naruto shirt. Okay, now I love you even more. Wait, what's he gonna do next? Oh, peel even more.
And then, oh, that's how you get it out.
Gotcha,
Okay,
that's how
now
you
we
remove
know.
a banana. Folks, this is why he deserves to be the #1 most followed person on TikTok.
Everybody would be chopping bananas without this guy.
Without his deeply educational videos, we'd be opening bananas with knives.
The world would be a worse place.
All right, so this has 250 million views.
Oh, I've seen this. This guy's pretty cool.
You hungry, bro? Yes.
He's kind of like Mr.beast if Mr.beast owned a gas station.
Assuming these aren't staged, this is really great.
Here you go, bro. Enjoy, right?
Wow.
Love that.
In 19th place with like 2 million extra views. I haven't seen this one. Someone surfing?
What?
Oh, that's kind of cool.
That's really cool.
This only has another million views more. 900K after 23 hours of work.
Ready with new drawing. Please watch to the end. This is why I got so many views.
I'm surprised. This is actually a longer TikTok. For this to get 250 million views.
It's because watch time. TikTok's all about stretching out that watch time, bro.
I mean, the drawings were good, but I'm kind of surprised that was the 18th most viewed TikTok on the platform. But I digress. On to number 17. Oh, is this that David Dobrik thing?
Yeah, where he fills his backyard with foam.
Did David post this or did the foam guy post it?
I think David posted this on his TikTok.
Dang. And at number 16 with 267 million views, a lot are hovering around this.
Hey, it's that Fortnite guy.
I thought it was that guy from the zombie movie. It's the guy from that Fresh show.
With that prince in Bel Air.
Oh yeah.
No. It's that guy that works with the Secret Service to
Oh,
find
from the
aliens.
FBI.
Yeah. I thought that was the
Oh, it's the guy from YouTube Rewind.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Now I know who it is.
The bit is we don't know who Will Smith is.
It's funny. Just laugh. Pause. Here's a list of our most recent subscribers. I'm gonna pick this. Maniva 1. I don't know, but congratulations! You just won $1,000. And if you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, because next time I film a video, I'm gonna give another $1,000 to someone who recently subscribes. Hit it.
I saw this when this had like 7,000 likes and I knew this was gonna go viral.
Wow. There's a lot of mega viral TikToks where they like show a video and then do it.
It's very meta. All the meta stuff goes viral.
I need to do one of those.
You need to be meta. You already see the watermark.
Is he about to hit her with it?
All right, how else would we use toilet paper? That I don't understand.
Oh.
Wait, you just remove it from
Oh
the
my
side?
gosh. That's how you use toilet paper?
Think of everybody's butts. They'll be so clean now. He's saving lives.
Oh, I love this. I've seen this.
I love cats. Look at him. He's like, give me.
Yo, I want to do this with my dog. Grab a roll of toilet paper and put like a treat inside of it.
Yeah,
and then yo, someone remind me to do that. Oh, I've seen this. This is one of Cabby's most viewed videos. Thank you. Good job. Thank you for teaching us how to open a door.
What's that?
You did it. All right, now we're in the 300 million views. All right, number 10. All right.
I wonder why this is
number
10.
Yo, the ceiling's looking pretty good here.
Yeah, it's good.
Nice ceiling. I'm a very big fan of our ceiling. I'm glad we soundproofed the ceiling.
Oh.
All right, anyways, now that we're done talking about the ceiling, on to number 9.
Oh! You almost hit that thing. Now you have a mirror so you can see. Now you're good.
Okay. Wait, let's see his genius solution. What's he doing? Oh my God.
And he also has Sasuke on his shirt.
Really? Oh my God. So, yo.
Oh, and his shorts.
I didn't realize he was a big Naruto fan. That explains why he's #1.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, it's Billie Eyelash.
Re-upload on Coochie Destroyer 5.
No, it's not a re-upload. That's her name on TikTok.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
I love Billie Eilish so much. She's so funny.
You're trolling me.
No, it really is.
I never noticed, and I've seen her TikToks before.
Let me double check. Hold on. It used to be back in the day. Okay, no, I guess it's not. I thought it was. Somebody fact check us.
In 7th place with 380 million views.
Aw, look at the cute baby.
You could have got 380 million views if you did this with Tucker.
I got 23 million with Tucker.
Not enough. Of course.
M to the
beat,
B, M to the B, M to the B, boom.
I will never understand how this got 400 million views, but can't argue with it. Oh my God, we just made a jump for 400 million views to 659 million views.
That's a lot of views.
Surely this next TikTok has to be very high quality.
My name's not Shirley.
Oh, it actually is. Anything Zach King does is phenomenal. Yeah. I remember seeing this one when he uploaded it.
Yeah, just send me that email. I'm just gonna step in.
Wait a minute.
Sorry, it says wet paint.
And then it's the endless loop.
How does he do that? How'd he do that?
Yeah, and then it just keeps looping.
Yeah, just send me that email. I'm just gonna step in.
Oh, sorry, sir. It's drying.
You should put a sign up or something.
Sorry, it says wet paint.
That's so weird.
I don't know what I just watched, but it's phenomenal.
It hurts my brain.
All right, so now we just jumped from 659 million views to just shy of 1 billion views.
What?
Nothing gets 1 billion views unless it's high quality content.
Gangnam Style, Baby by Justin Bieber.
Just perfection. There has to be nothing wrong with this coming up TikTok.
Some see this
Oh, it's
glass
Zach King
half
again.
full, some see it as half empty,
I see it as
as a piece of cake.
I remember that.
Wow. That was during the big everything is cake phase.
You know, honest, I thought we'd get deep in the list. I'd be like, why is this getting 1 billion views? Da, da, da. But like, if anyone deserved it, it is Zach. I'm glad he's at the top.
From the top.
Make it drop.
That's,
Our ceiling.
yeah, good seal.
All right, #3 with 1.1 billion views, the 3rd most viewed TikTok. Yo, Zach King's just dominating the top
Oh
chart.
my goodness. You could say he's the king of TikTok.
King of billion view talks.
Yeah, that's true.
No, get your own spot.
This is so, it hurts my brain. How many shots that must have taken?
I don't know how he does it, but it's phenomenal. So now coming at #2 of 1.7 billion views.
Better not be Zach again.
Oh wait, is it?
Oh, it's James Charles. I saw this.
Nice. This got 1.7 billion views. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, was not expecting that to get that many views, but okay. And now, the #1 most viewed TikTok in the world, 2.2 billion views.
This better be a banger.
Ah. I remember seeing this. This is good.
Like my costume?
Yo, that's so cool. How are you doing that?
Got a Nimbus 2000.
Oh, I see.
Oh my
That's
God.
wild.
Longboard?
Longboardium Leviosa!
And those are the 25 most viewed TikToks on Earth. Subscribe. Goodbye. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Beast.